morning, everybody. This is Jill here with the Walnut Ridge Parts Department in Newcastle, Indiana. Today I would like to point out some of the Stromberg items we have here. The base pad extreme, pretty nice right there. There's also some chocks. These help a lot with stabilizing the unit. So while you're in it moving around, it's going to stay pretty still so you're not swaying back and forth. Some different wheel chocks here. Then we also have the stabilizing kit, leveling and stabilizing kit. And this is on a great sale right now. It's regularly $338 and we have it on sale for $149.99. So with that, you're going to get some of actually these base pads, which are nice. They're just flat, very sturdy. And then some of the wheel chocks. You will also get a nice bag for all of those things. A couple of these are pretty rubber wheel chocks, pretty sturdy there, so not a bad deal. So feel free to come in, check these items out, give us a call, see what we've got available right now, quite a bit, but again, a good deal. Thanks.